So today let us start with the part 5. We'll continue with the same exercise, that is 12.2. So we'll see question number 10. You can see the question on the left hand side. The sum of the present ages of a father and son is 53 years. 4 years ago, the father's age was 4 times the age of son. And here you have to find the present ages. So we'll consider, let father be F and the son be S. So they said the sum of the percentages are the father and son. Father means F and son sum means we are going to add F plus S, and that is 53 years means is equal to 53. We can consider this as equation number 1. So now they said the next sentence, 4 years ago, the father's age was 4 times the age of the son. So 4 years ago, ago means we have to subtract 4 times the age of the. So first thing what we have to do, we'll see the father 4 years ago was F minus 4 and son was S minus 4. So the next one that we can say, this is the father is 4 times. So 4 times S minus 4. So this step is important because this S minus 4, there are 2 terms in it. So we have to put this in a bracket. So they said the 4 times the age of the son. So here 4 times S minus 4. So this is the same. So this is going to be 4s minus 16. So now F minus, you will bring here this S on this side. So this is going to be minus 16 and this will be here, that will be plus 4. So F minus 4s is going to be minus 12. So this is equation number 2. So this was the equation number 1. So let us solve this both equations. So F plus S is 53 and the second equation is F minus 4s is 12. So what we can see here, this actually is plus. You can see this is F and this also is F. So we can eliminate this one. So we get the S value, the age of the son, and then we can find out the age of the father. So we can use the elimination method. So this is plus, so this is going to be minus. Minus is going to be plus. Minus is going to be plus. So this and this gets cancelled because this is plus. Let us see the new sign, that is minus. So now here the new sign is plus. So plus S and plus 4, that will be, this is 1. So this is going to be 5s. Now let us see here also the new sign. So this is plus 53 plus 12, which is going to be 65. So S is going to be 65. This is multiplication, so this will get divided. So S is going to be 13 here. So this putting S is equal to 13 years is equation number 1. So equation 1 was this one. So this is the equation same written here. So in place of S, you are going to put 13, rest all the same. So F is going to be 15 minus 13, so F is going to be 40. So they said find the present ages. So father's present age is 40 years and son's present age is 13 years. Now let us go for the next question. The question is on the left hand side. At present, Ankit is twice as old as his son. In 4 years, he will be 4 times as old as what his son was 9 years ago, and you have to find the present ages of both of them. So we can consider like Ankit be A and son be S. So now Ankit is twice as old as his son. So this is Ankit is twice. So twice as old as his son means twice of S. So this is going to be equation number 1. And in 4 years, he will be 4 times as old as what his son was 9 years ago. So 9 years ago, his son was S minus 9. So now in 4 years, he will be 4 times as old as now in 4 years. So this is going to be A plus 4 in 4 years. They said in 4 years means this is going to be A plus 4 and he's going to be 4 times what his son was 9 years ago. Son was 9 years ago means S minus 9. So be careful with this while forming this equation. In 4 years means A plus 4 and 4 times this is 9 years ago, so S minus 9. 4 times S minus 9. So once this equation is done, the other things are easy. So this will be A plus 4 will be 4S minus 36. So A minus 4x, S will be minus 36 minus 4. So a minus 4s is minus 40. This is equation number 2. So now what will you do? This is a is equal to 2s. Substituting a is equal to 2s in equation number 2. So here in place of this we'll put 2s. This is the same. This is the same. So here this plus 2 minus 4 is going to be minus 2s, is going to be minus 40. Both the sides is negative. So let us cancel out that. So that will be 2s will be 40. So s is going to be 40. This will get divided. So s is 20 years. So we have to find, we got the s 20 years. We have to find the ages of both of them. So if we want the age of a, so age of a means a is 2s. So in that one, we will put here s is 20. Is the same. So A is going to be 40 years. So Ankit is 40 years and his son is 20 years. So now let us go with the next question. That is question number 12. At the time of wedding, the bride's age was 3 by 4 of the groom's age. After 8 years, her age is 4 by 5 of her husband's age. Find the age of the bride at the time of her wedding. So now let us consider the bride's age B years and the groom's wedding ages, that is the G years. So they said at the time of it, the bride's age was 3 by 4 of the groom's age. So B is equal to 3 by 4 of G. So this will be equation number 1. So the next sentence, after 8 years, her age is 4 by 5 of her husband's age. So after age 8 years, we'll see for the first the bride's age. That is going to be B plus 8, and groom's age is going to be G plus 8. So after 8 years, the age is 4 by 5. So B plus 8 is 4 by 5 of the groom's age. So G plus 8. So this will be the main equation. So this will be equation number 2. So substituting B is equal to 3 by 4 from equation 1, in equation 2 we get. So here you are going to put here 3 by 4 G plus this will be same. This is going to be the same. So now let us, this will be the same. This will expand it. So this is going to be 32 by 5 and this will be the same 4 by 5 G. So now this is the same. This will come this side. So that is going to be minus 4 by 5 G. This is the same. This will go on the other side. That is going to be minus a. So you can see the denominators are different. So we'll take the LCM, which is going to be 20. So this you are going to multiply it by 5. So this also by 5. This by 4. So this also by 4. So this is going to be 15 minus 16. 15G minus 16G divided by 20. For this one, the LCM is going to be 5. So this is going to be 32 minus 40 by 5. So now this will be minus 16 plus 15, which is going to be minus 1. So we can write that as just minus G by 20 is here minus 40 plus 32, which will be minus 8 by 5. Now we will cross multiply this one. So minus, this will go on the other side. So minus 5G is here, this 20 will go on this side. So that is going to be minus 60. Both the places there is negative. So now let us make it to positive. So G is going to be 160 divided by this 5. So which is going to be 32. So G is 32 years. So putting G is equal to 32 in equation 1, we will put this in equation number 1. So equation number this one is B is equal to 3 by 4 G. So in place of G, you will put 32, which is going to be 24 years. So at that time of wedding, they have asked the bride's age. So bride's age was 24 years. So now let us go to the next question, question number 13. So present ages of, look at the question on the left hand side. So present ages of Lalita and Sarita are in the ratio 5:4. 3 years hence the ratio of the ages will become 11:9. What is Sarita's present age? So we'll consider let Lalita's present age be 5. 5:4 means we can just put it for 5x years. So it becomes easy for the calculation. And Sarita's present age be 4x years. So 3 years hence means after 3 years, Lalita is going to be here 5x plus 3 and Sarita is going to be here 4x plus 3. So 3 years hence the ratio of the ages will become 11 of the ages means of both of them. that is going to be 11:9. So we'll divide this as well because the ratio is 11:9, so that we can write it 11/9. So here we can write here 5x plus 3 is to 4x plus 3. If you want, you can put one sentence over here, this one, this step, and then later on you can write it here. So this will be divided, 4x plus 3 is going to 5x plus 3 divided by 4x plus 3 is going to be 11/9. Now we will cross multiply this one. So 9 will go on the other side, which is going to be 9 into 5x plus 3 will be 11 into 4x plus 3. So this is going to be 45x plus 27 is going to be 44x plus 33. So 45x minus here, this will go on the other side, that is going to be minus 44x is going to be 33 plus 27 is going to be minus 27. So x is going to be 6 years. So we can say x, we have considered this as the Lalita's age is 5x. So we got x as 6 years. So Lalita's present age is 5x. So which will be 5 into 6. Will in place of x, we'll put 6, which is 30 years. So here and here's what is Sarita's present age. So you don't have to find out this one. Sorry for that. You just want the Sarita's present age. But if they ask for both, you can do this one. So here, just they have asked for the Sarita's present age. So we can say here the Sarita's present age is 4x, which is going to be 4 into 6, which is going to be 24 years. So just we can put this one here. So because they have asked only the Sarita's present age. So the next one, that is question number 14. So you can see the question on the left hand side. The length of a rectangle is 14 centimeter more than its breadth and its perimeter is 180 centimeter. You have to find the area of the rectangle. So we'll consider that length of a rectangle, that will be like L centimeter and breadth be B centimeter. The length of a rectangle is 14 centimeter more than the breadth. So length is going to be, breadth is B, so B plus 14. So because it is more than the breadth by 14. So this will be the equation number 1. And the perimeter is 180. So you know the formula for the perimeter, because perimeter of this rectangle, that is twice into length plus breadth. And the perimeter is given as 180 twice into, so length is B plus 14. So in this place of this length, you are going to put B plus 14 and this will be as it is. So here 180. We can also put this one here. You can do with different steps. This equation can be done with different ones. So what I have done here, this I have taken this on this side, 180 is already there. So this is multiplication. Here will get divided because it is changing the side. And this is going to be 2b plus 14. So we got, after simplifying, we got this as 90 is 2b plus 14. So now 90 is already here. This will go here. That will be minus 40 is 2b. So 76 is 2b. So 76, this is multiplication. So 2 will go here. That will get divided, which will be 38. So b is going to be 38 centimeter. But we want the area. So now we got the breadth. Now let us find out the length first. Substituting b is equal to 38 in equation number 1 we get. So our equation 1 is L is equal to B plus 14. So in place of this B, you're going to put this 38 and plus 14, and this as it is. So length is going to be 52 centimeters. So now we got the length and the breadth. So we want the area. So area of the rectangle, the formula is length into breadth. So length is 52 and the breadth is 38. So when you multiply this, you get 1976 centimeter square. So the area of rectangle is 1976 centimeter square. Now let us go for question number 15. You can have a look at the question on the left hand side. The length of a rectangle exceeds its breadth by 7 centimeter. If the length decreased by 4 centimeter and the breadth height is increased by 3 centimeter, the area of the new rectangle is the same of the area of the original rectangle, and you have to find the length and breadth of the original rectangle. So in this one, you have to go in this one step by step. You have to look at the first sentence. First you have to read the whole question, then you have to go read one sentence at a time, and then accordingly you have to see the equation So now length of a rectangle, this one that we will consider as L centimeter and breadth B centimeter. So then the next one, they said the length of a exceeds its breadth by 7. So length exceeding means breadth by 7 means B plus 7. So again, this equation is important. If the length decreased by this one, so the original, first what will you say? According to this, the original area is length into breadth. So length we have considered B plus 7 and this is B. So now we'll see, they said if the length in the this is the was the original one, the area. So now because in the next sentence it says if the length decreased by 4 centimeter, the breadth height is increased by 3. So length was B plus 7. So these are the new dimensions. So B plus 7 was already there and this length is decreasing by minus 4. So what will we get here? Length will be this plus 7 minus 4 is going to be plus 3. And the breadth is increasing by 3. So the breadth was already B over here. So that is B plus 3. So now here this is the original area. Now the new area means length into breadth. So the length also is here B plus 3 and the breadth also is B plus 3. So B plus 3 into B plus 3. So we can write this as B plus 3 whole bracket because both of them are the same. So we can write here square. So now they said the area of the new rectangle is the same as the area of the original rectangle. So this is one of the, again, the important step, the area of the new rectangle. So what was this is the area of the new rectangle is B plus 3 is same as the original. So what was the original? Original was this one, B into B plus 7. So this step is important. So now what will you do? You are going to expand this one. B plus 3 means, A plus B whole bracket square. That is A square plus 2AB plus B square. So this is A and this is B, the square of it. So B square plus 2AB means 2 into B into 3 plus 3 square. So this is going to be 6B plus 9. And this is going to be B square plus 7B. So now this B and B gets cancelled, or you can do one thing, this B, if you bring it on this side, so B square is already there. If you bring this on this side, that is going to be minus B square. So this is going to get cancelled. As you wish, you can do anywhere as you like. So here will be 6B and this will go on the other side, that is going to be minus 7B. And this will go here, that will be minus 9. So minus 7 plus 6 is going to be minus B is equal to minus 9. This and this gets cancelled, both sides negative. So B is going to be 9 centimeter. So now let us see for L. Because we want the length and the breadth of the original rectangle. So what was for the original one? This was length was B plus 7. See, because they said the original one. So we have to see that B plus 7. So here length is B plus 7. We got this as 9. So that will be 16 centimeters. So we can say length of rectangle is 16 centimeter and the breadth of rectangle is 9 centimeter. Now let us see question number 16. The base and the height of a triangle. This is triangle are in the ratio. Sorry for that N is a mistype. So here that is just a ratio 4:3. If the base is increased by 4 centimeter and the height is decreased by 2 centimeter, the area of the triangle remains the same and you have to find the base and the height. So now the ratio is given base and height means base is to height, that is given as 4:3. So now this we will consider, let the base be 4x and this is the height be 3x. So the original one, because this is a triangle, so the original area, the formula for this one for the triangle is half into base into height. So half into this we got as 4x and this is 3x. So this will be 2 ones are 2 twos are, this is going to be 6 and this will be x into x, which is going to be 6x square. So now in the second one they said if the base is increased in the second sentence, if the base is increased by 4 centimeter. So new base is going to be 4x was already the original one and it is increasing by 4 centimeter and the height is decreased by 2. So the new height is going to be, the original one was 3x and it is decreasing by 2 centimeter. So the new area again, this will be half into base into height. So this is the base and this is the height. So Now they said the next sentence, the area of the triangle remains the same. So here means this was the new area and this is the old area. So it remains the same. So now what we can do, this and this one, this is multiplication. Let us take this 1 by 2 on the other side. So this is, when it goes to the other side, 1 by 2, that is going to be just 2. So 6 into 2, which is going to be 12x square. So now what will we do? We are going to expand this one, this into this is going to be 12x square, this into this, which is going to be minus 8x, this into this, which is going to be plus 12x, and this into this, which is going to be minus 8, and this 12x as it is. So now again this and this we can cancel, or you can do one thing, 12x square, this will keep as it is, this will bring on the other side, this is going to be minus 12x square, and then that is going to get cancelled out. So here now minus 8 plus 12, that is going to be plus 4x, and this will go on the other side, which is going to be plus 8. So x will be 8 by 4 because this is multiplication, so x will be 2. So now they want the base and the height. So base is 4x, so 4x means 4 into 2, which is going to be 8 centimeter, the height is 3x, so 3 into 2, which is going to be 6 centimeter. So now let us go with the next question, the perimeter of an isosceles triangle. So is 32 centimeter, and each equal side is 1.5 times the base. Find the length of the side. So you know the isosceles triangle first thing. So it's something like that. So this is the base of it, and isosceles triangle means these two sides, they are equal. So this is what you have to remember. The two sides are equal, the sides are equal, and this is the base of it. So now perimeter of an isosceles triangle is given as 32. So they're given things here. Each side, so side is given as 1 by 2 times the base. 1.5 times the base. So this is a mixed fraction. So 1.5 means this is going to be 2 plus 1, that is going to be 3. 3 by 2 into base. So now let the base be x. So side is what? So this base is going to be, this is going to be x. So the side is going to be 3 by 2 into this base that we are going to, which we have considered as x. So perimeter of an isosceles triangle, you know the perimeter means sum of all sides. So you know these both sides are equal, and this is the base of it. So what we can write here, base plus side plus side. So we are given here is 32 is the perimeter of the rectangle. So below this one we are going to write 32, and base we have considered this x, and we got the side as 3 by 2x. So 3 by 2x plus 3 by 2x. So this 32. Now this you can see here, all sides we can see x, but we can see the denominators are different. This and this same. And here this will be 1, so we are going to multiply this by 2 because the LCM is 2. So this is going to be 2x plus 3x plus 3x by 2. So now we can write this one as it is. This is going to be 8x by 2. If we take this on the other side, that is going to get multiplied. So that 32 into 2, which is going to be 64, is 8x. So 64 divided by this 8, this will go here. So that is going to be 8. So x is 8 centimeters. So we want the length of the sides. So side we have considered as this is 3 by 2x. So 3 by 2 and x is 8. So this is going to be 12 centimeters. So length of side of triangle is 12 centimeter. So now let us go for the next question here. The cost of a table and chair together is rupees 1620. If the table costs 16% more than the chair, find the cost of each. So we'll consider like the price of chair be rupees X. Then the price of the table will be 16 more than the chair. So this is already the chair. 16 more means you are going to add plus 16%, 16% more, 16% of X. So this is the important step. So X plus 16% means always whenever there is a percentage sign means we are going to divide it by 100. So it is going to be 16 by 100x. So this, if we take the LCM, this is going to be 100. So this will be 100x plus 16x, which is going to be 116x by 100. So which is going to be this, there are two zeros over here, that is going to be, here you will go backwards, a minus 1.16x. So now what we can say here, we have to find the cost of this one. So 1x So x plus 1.16x, that is 1620, because we have to find the cost of each. So here this is already 1. So this is going to be 1 plus 1.16 means that is going to be 2.16. X is 16.0. So x is going to be 1620 divided by 2.16. So here this is going to be the same. This is the denominator. So 2.16, we can write here 216 divided by 100. So this is easy for the calculation without using a calci. So 1620, and this will get flip over. The denominator gets flip over, which is going to be 100 by 216. So when you multiply this together, that is going to be 162,000 divided by 216, which is going to be 750. So x is 750. So the chair costs 750 because that is the x what we have considered, and the cost of table is, that is, we got this as 1.16x, which is going to be 1.16 into 750, which is going to be rupees 870. So by this one, we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hype. There is a hype near the comment section. You are just, if you slide it, you can see the hype button. So click on the hype. Thank you.